bought Barney.
3, 2, 1.
So I bought a lot of weird things in my day, but yesterday takes the cake. I bought Barney at a thrift store. Goodwill. What is going on right now? I don't even know. Let's check it out. I bought Barney. It's so big I had to put it on my kitchen table. It's the actual mascot outfit of Barney the dinosaur. There's two different ones online. I'll show you both comps. This is the one that's not worth as much, but it does still have good value. I spent $12, as you can see, all over the place. $12, $12, $12 for this Barney mascot costume. Look at this thing. It's huge. The big head comes with the Barney body over here. It's all fluffy. See this? It's all fluffy. All fluffy. I'm going to show you the footage of us actually finding this at Goodwill. You got the separate shoes or Barney feet. It did have a couple flaws. It looked like the tail had to be sewed, but I can see why, because it kind of just hangs off the body. You can see someone had to sew the tail, and the inside of the head kind of looks, oh, what's that? Kind of looks like something I wouldn't want to put on my head right now, but I'm going to clean her up. We're going to try to get in between 80 to 100 bucks for this. And without further ado, let's get in the video and watch me and my daughter find Barney at a thrift store. What?
What is that? It's 10. Is that a Barney costume?
Oh my god. 12 bucks? Hold on. That's Barney.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame.
Yeah, it's a full-size Barney costume. What do you think about that?
Amazing. I just want to put it on. Like, I gotta at least try that thing on.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Kind of getting into this thing to where I kind of want to put up real quick videos. We'll see you later. Thanks.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at